Today I'm going to show you how to create this red smoky eye with a negative space heart and gold and black double eyeliner. I'm first placing some makeup tape, following the angle of my lower lash line. This is going to make the double eyeliner much easier later on. Keeping in mind where your crease is, place a little heart. You can use a sticker, but I'm cheap, so I just cut up the same makeup tape. Next, I'm packing a matte bright red onto the lid, bringing it about halfway up to the heart. I'm taking it pretty far past the outer V because I want it to contrast strongly against the gold liner later on. Use a matte warm pink to blend the edges of the red into the crease. Then switch to a large fluffy brush to really blend that out and smoke it towards the brow. Repeat the process of building up pigment and blending it out until your blending is seamless and your colors are intense. There needs to be a strong contrast between the eyeshadow and your skin tone for the heart to show up clearly. Next, I'm highlighting the brow bone with a soft beigey pink with iridescent glitter. Gently peel off the heart. So cute! I'm using a small liner brush to draw a thin line of concealer. Then winging it out. This is where that makeup tape comes in handy. With our base complete, pack a metallic peachy gold on top. I've sprayed my brush with a setting spray to help with pigmentation, or you can wet the brush. This is already looking gorgeous, but I'm going to take it further by adding a thin line of black eyeliner over the lower half of the gold. Again, the makeup tape really helps here. Speaking of which, gently reveal your efforts. Now that is stunning. But we're not done yet. Line the waterline with a black kohl pencil. Soften the eyeliner with the red. Blend out the edges with the pink. If necessary, go back in with more red. Highlight the inner corner with that same brow highlight. Then finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching! You can find a product list in the description box below.